Hey guys, welcome back. Actually, I can't able to connect with you tomorrow for the live trading session. That's why for the for our community like the Ultimate Traders training program students, I am recording this video, and it is for a YouTuber community also. Okay, and here we are going to review some of the very important stocks which are making a very good performance. And how there is a one point which I am going to discuss, that is how the news can be impact. There are two super examples with me which I have been traded. Okay, let me take those example and just discuss what was the output of that particular two trades. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, and the disclaimer initially, it is very clear whatever we are discussing, it is only for the educational purpose. If you have any concern with the buy and sell, it's up to you, but just I am suggesting the technical patterns. Okay, and the stocks which are may move in that particular direction, but everything whatever we are going to discuss is for the educational purpose only. And if you are new to our community, you are watching from YouTube or somewhere from our community also, then if you are not at part of our the Ultimate Trader coaching program, then you can reach out to us so we can discuss and we can go forward. Top down approach, if you are first time, then you need to understand that how we are working on this from so many weeks. Okay, every week we are working on this and we are filtering out the top performing stocks and sectors. Based on that, we are choosing the stocks and trading. Those are giving a good result for our entire inner circle community, and I'm suggesting with my WhatsApp community also. So only thing is that this is a process. Okay, we are just following the process. In that process, it is giving a result. So I request everyone here, for the community people, you have to follow this one, then only you can get a very good stocks like GLENMARK and other things. Okay, global market, US and other country markets are bullish, because you can see here all above 60 in US market. So there is no second thought. The global market is a bullish, but there are news going on with respect to Trump tariff related news. I'll discuss at the end of this session. Okay, with respect to India, you can see monthly previous week it was a 62. This week again it is come below. Okay, because of the resistance, it is respected that resistance, and it came down from for a 2%. But let's see that whether it is a follow through selling pressure will be there in the market, or it is going to be a reverse. Okay, based on the charts we can see, it's the Dow Jones, it's at resistance or at all time high. Nasdaq, it is all time high. Okay, S&P, it is all time high. DAX, it is near to the all time high. That means those are at the edge. Okay, now Nikki is rejecting from the all time high. That means the market is bullish, but definitely stocks has, these are respecting the resistance. Okay, Kospi all time high, near to all time high. Then the global markets are doing great. With respect to Singapore Nifty, it is near to all time high, and it is making a you can see it is below 60 in weekly and daily also. Okay, that means if in case we got the follow through with the selling pressure, then we can see a downtrend here. Okay, so we have to be ready with our other weapons like downtrend secret, whatever we learned till now, we have to be ready with that one. Okay, and community sectors, crude oil, it's a sideway, natural gas sideway, gold again making a very good performance. You can see here it is took a support at 60, made a PRD. After that it is starting moving again from 95,000 to 97 or 97,000, currently 98,000 near to. Okay, so it is moving very good nowadays. It made a W pattern, and there is a under 2,000 upside, minimum under 2 to 3,000 upside momentum. Let's see how it is going to be trade in upcoming week. Silver, it's all time high, 1,12,000. It's a great momentum in the market. Singapore Nifty and our Nifty is same. It's rejected we have to see whether it is taking a support at this area 60 area. In that case we can see a range shift over here, but if not, if we in case we got any of the selling pressure, then we can see 24 700 and 800 range in next week. Okay, Nifty Bank, same thing here, it is rejected from the in daily 60 and it made a engulf kind of a Thursday candle. Let's see if it is taking a support at middle band in daily, then that's a good sign. Sensex similar to the Nifty Finance, there is a channel and channel resistance is there here, but let's see that. Okay, now sectorial performance, you can see now the infra is still making a good rally. Okay, last time it was 65, now it is at 60. Okay, and PSU Bank below 60. Okay, that means we have to concentrate on the infra stocks if only taking a support at RSI 50 and weekly RSI 60. That's the one thing. Second thing, whenever market is coming down, we can observe the IT and pharma stocks. Those are the contra sectors actually. So currently if you want to go bullish when Nifty is coming down, I usually concentrate on the pharma stocks. Okay, and GLENMARK and other stocks are the all-time high. Okay, let's see. I hope you got 2 to 3 sectors which we can track for the long. One is infra, second one is pharma. Personally I am tracking that one. Let's see that, because this is the least fall in this last week, but let's see that how it is going to be performed for the next week. Okay, and these whatever sectorial we are reviewing, you can do your homework also, and if you want this particular PPT, then you can reach out to me, so I'll share with you the the PPT which we are prepared. Okay, let me start with the stocks directly. Okay, cup stocks which we are tracking, GLENMARK, it's a small cup. Okay, see 10-year cup, breakout and CIP, all the technicals work. Change in polarity, it took a support at 1200 and it made almost 2100 within 3 to 4 months. This is a monthly chart. L&T Finance, wait for that. And okay, these are the two stocks which we have which are tracking, LTF. Okay, and PRD, Navin Fluorine, it made a huge momentum here last Friday. Okay, PRD stock, that one. WCS, GLENMARK, Navin Fluorine, okay, Ramco Cement, Laurus Lab. These are the stocks which you are tracking actually. You can use that for the long side trades. Okay, Indigo. Okay, and DWM or advanced DWM stocks, GLENMARK, it's a advanced DWM. I'll have a discussion on this at end. Laurus Lab. Okay, see, whenever above 16 weekly and monthly, we have to wait for the opportunity. Okay, wait for the opportunity is nothing but which strategy you can apply here. Walk on the band you can apply, take a 1 candle risk and just hold as per our trailing methods. Okay, 9 EMA or 3 candle method, 5 candle method. Okay, Indigo, now it is at advanced DWM. Okay, take 1 candle risk. There is a resistance 6000 round number. You can trade now or else above 6000. Both are fine. Ramco Cement, I think it is a cash stock. I don't think so it's there in the future. So now these are the long stocks. Okay, we can trade long side, but same time Nifty is coming down. That means we have to be concentrate on the DTS too also. Okay, this is one of the favorite strategy which we are using for the downtrend trading. BSC, that this is also one of the case study which I need to be discussed with you. Okay, this is based on the January Street news. It has been for 6% gap down on I think last week Friday or overnight, like Monday, I think so. Okay, this was the candle. You can see here, this was the candle. This green candle made us to buy because closed above 60, but next day it just closed gap down and it went wrong. Okay, but in that time itself it give a chance to trade in downside based on the DTS strategy. Okay, So we have to follow. We have to immediately change our cap from long side to short side. It's a very important to take a decision based on the setup and the news. Coal India, it has been given a 2 to 3 great opportunity here. One is particularly uh, around 12th of June. After that, I mean July first week, and now also. Okay, DLF, it's rejecting double top, and now here in double top in weekly, and it is rejecting from middle band, and it's walk on the band. Okay, there is a possibility to reach 40 first. After that we can see Bandhan Bank, it's a perfect setup. Manipuram, perfect setup. Okay, okay. GLENMARK, okay. See, I was not aware that news about that. They got the cancer license. GLENMARK got a cancer license. That's why it's going to be a gap up 10%. But based on this particular setup, we are choose this for the BTST. Okay. Just I have shared with my community also. So many my inner circle people have been take that trade for the BTST long side. Okay, but with luck, sometimes luck also important in market. It has been gap up 10%, and it's a upper circuit. After that 15% upper circuit. Thereafter it is traded in that particular area. And because this is the news, GLENMARK Pharma shares rally 15% to record high after mega license deal for its cancer drug. Okay, but it is post market news. It's not a pre market or we know about this news. No, we are just go to a chart on that particular day. Okay, I have just analyzed like this. You can see monthly it is all time high. Okay, weekly it is all time high, daily. Okay, when it is closed above this particular pattern, okay, just I suggested for the BTST trade. I hope you understand why and how I used to be take a BTST trade. Okay, it has to give a technical signals, not a news based, and it's just a gap up, and it's a boom like anything. Okay, so my point is that you guys can be choose these kind of stocks if you are concentrate at 3 to 330. Okay, I don't say 100% everything will go right. In case of BSC, okay, in case of BSC, when it is closed a good bullish pattern in this particular green candle, you can see here. Okay, on last 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 from yesterday candle, last seventh candle, a green candle, we took a long trade, but due to next day post market uh, news, the the price has been gapped down with a 4%, so we book a loss in that day. Okay, so if you have the if you have the technical knowledge and risk management in place, then you can trade BTST. Otherwise it's better to be go for the only positional trades. Okay, so I don't support I don't say that you can trade or you don't. It is up to you that how you are being trained, and how you are taking the risk. Okay, so we booked the loss on that last day, and in the similar, when we go for the technical BTST, it went very well. Okay, we booked around 2 lakh, and now we are shorted the CDSL also. That's a a short side trade. But the with respect to GLENMARK, we made around 2 lakh with a BTST trade. So only my point is that you have to be keep some news, updated news also in mind, and how the market could be react. Okay, but you have to be very strong with the technicals also. Okay, currently one more latest news is I heard related to tariff. There is a more to Trump's latest declaration than meet the eye. So it could give some sense like there could be a chance of coming down further in the Indian market. But we are following the technicals. If it gives the chance with the DTS2, then we are going to short the market. If it is giving the bullish sense, then we are going to trade the upside also. So it is very clear that we are going to trade based on the technicals, not on the news, but still we are keeping some eye on the latest news. Okay, so if you have any questions, just connect with me, Okay, you can get all the information in the below description. So we can connect and we can discuss about the training, discuss about the other things which you have, which is there in your mind. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching this video, and please follow your technicals, use your weekend effectively. Okay, all the best, happy trading.